Just a little quick operation video. Trying to drag this yard down a little bit. But ain't nothing special, but I'm trying to get I got me I got approved for United Rentals so I can rent big equipment, which this is mine. But I want to be able to do bigger jobs, so I just got approved with United Rentals and been talking to the salesman. I got one big job that I have on the books, if I can get it or not, depending on if my quote higher than the other guy. Ain't higher than the other guy that he got to come do it, but it'll be a full-size skid steer like this right here, except for it'll be a full size. I'm talking about like what you see on a construction job. But I'm just stepping out, man. Stepping out on faith. Trying it, man. Trying to get it done, you know what I'm saying? Because ain't nobody gonna give us nothing. I'm just taking a chance. I took a chance when I got this stuff right here, man. Just trying to invest in myself. Not bragging about nothing. Yeah, my stuff junky, because I'm working on stuff in the shop. I'm working on something in the shop. I can't show it because the guy don't want to see it until I'm done with it. So can't really go in there and film it because I don't want to get on the book. But at the same time, just want to, encourage people to reach for your dreams. I get discouraged sometimes. It get hard. Sometimes I get down in the dump because, man, this stuff hard. It's hard trying to do something for yourself. And when you the one who pretty much provide for everybody, you the goat, you the sacrifice. This go for a lot of men and a lot of women. It's out here trying to get things done in their life, trying to make boss moves and trying to get to a point in life where they can enjoy their life and live a fulfilled life. I ain't mad at nobody. I don't hate on nobody. I'm just trying to get what I need to get done. It's certain jobs I can't really get to, but I be trying to find other people to do them because those jobs are time consuming based on me running the truck and doing this on the side. But my all in all goal is to get out the truck and do this full time, So like I say, I ain't hating on nobody. I just want everybody to achieve something in this lifetime, because you ain't giving them but one. And you want to enjoy it. Ride that mud till the wheel fall off. You know what I'm saying? But peace out.